All right, you ready?
Yes.
So we get the mid back here. So you're gonna hug yourself. This is your first time, correct?
Yes.
You scared?
No.
Perfect. Let's give you a little hug. There we go.
Holy shit.
There we go.
Wowzers.
Feel right?
Yeah.
That felt good. Feel that pressure?
Yeah, I can take a deep breath.
Yeah, take a deep breath. Let it all the way out. Very good. All right, so let's get the hill back here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's roll this side for me here, okay? This is what happens when you get run over by what?
A tractor.
A tractor at 13?
Yes.
And you've been suffering the entire time.
I have. It's fine. I'm fine.
That's what you said all this time.
Yeah.
All right, I'm not gonna drop you, okay? I'm gonna get this lower hip. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna roll this side for me here.
Okay.
And she's gonna come over here and hear all the popping noises. There we go. Okay, I won't drop you. Promise. There we go. Good. How are we doing so far? She can breathe. Okay. So we're gonna get this lower portion where the headaches are, okay? I gotcha. I'm just gonna pull. Good. That felt good.
Mm-hmm.
I gotcha. You're relaxing so well too. Good job.
Oh. I don't think this is suitable for social media.
Oh yes it is.
Okay, good shit.
Here we go. I gotcha. Nice and easy. Perfect.
Oh my god. This is so intense.
It's always good. So we're gonna pull nice and easy. Good. Nice. Felt that one right out there. Very good. So, when you're ready, we're gonna have you sit up for a little bit, and you're gonna see how your neck feels. Okay. Woo. Let's take a look. We'll turn this way. There we go. How we doing?
Oh yeah. My body's tingling. Is
Yes.
that normal?
Uh-huh. Get the
Okay.
blood flow in. How's that feel? Light, like we talked about, possibly?
Mhm.
Right?
The center feels a little tight
Good.
though.
Yeah?
That's weird. That's normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's after, what? A long time ago from
Yeah.
running a tractor.
Yeah, that was, yeah.
Okay. Perfect. We'll check the neck range of motion. Do you feel like you're floating a little bit too?
Mhm.
Perfect.
Can I close my eyes and go to sleep?
That's a good feeling, I told you. Kids,
Oh.
makes you want to go sleep. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah.